For the presentation of candidates for graduation, let us have once again Ms. Seth Camilo Alvanzo, the Deputy Directress of Races Montessori Academy, and the confirmation will be followed immediately coming from our school system directress, Mrs. Sherry P. Ravanzo, Ma'am Seth and Ma'am Chair.
Mrs. Caridad P. Ravanzo, our school directress. It is my honor to present to you the combination of 68 boys, junior high school, and 55 girls, with a total number of 123 junior high school competitors, and 67 boys, senior high school, and 48 girls, senior high school graduates, with a total of 115 students who have satisfactorily completed the K-12 curriculum prescribed by the Department of Education this school year 2023-2024. Waiting for your confirmation.
By the power vested upon me by the Department of Education, I hereby confirm the graduates of Races Montessori Academy who have satisfactorily completed the junior high school and senior high school curriculum prescribed by the Department of Education this is school year 2023-2024. I now declare you graduates and congratulations!
Congratulations!
Princess Iris, son of Mr. and Mrs. Lorena and Jerome Tadea, future nurse, most significant social impact film, first place Katutubong Sayaw, first place group spelling bee, first place radio broadcasting, best station ID, best female actor, second place in commercial global disease, third place vignette essay writing contest, proficiency in biology, proficiency in physics, proficiency in Filipino, proficiency in mathematics, Christian Character Awardee, Leadership Awardee, RMA Administrator's Choice Award, Excellence in Research Award, Best Science, Technology, Engineering, and Mathematics Strand Research, SSC Outstanding Leader Award, Excellence in Journalism, Governor Nina Richie Henares Leadership Award of Excellence, Senator Francis G. Escudero Academic Award of Excellence, Senator Manuel Nito Lapid Academic Award of Excellence, with highest honors, Most Outstanding Research of the Year, Natatanging Mag-aaral ng Taon, our class valedictorian.
Now here, Princess Sky S. Tadea of Luzon Campus.
Have you ever thought about the last time our teachers used the phrase, class dismissed? Although they typically say, pwede na kayo umuwi mga anak. Everyone, even the teachers, knows that on a normal day, those phrases are most anticipated by us, the students. Hearing the same phrase now feels different because we know we won't be able to see each other again. The same school, in the same classroom, where we spent our senior years together. Before I continue, I would like to thank the faculty and staff of Graces Montessori Academy, our school president and directress, Mr. Ramon and Mrs. Cherry Rabanzo, our deputy directress, Ms. Seth Rabanzo, and our school principal, Mr. Wilson Monreal, for your perseverance, dedication, and commitment in our education, as well as the opportunity to deliver this speech in front of everyone. To our dear parents, thank you for showing up and joining my fellow graduates and I on our special day. A pleasant morning to all of you. Let's go back in time to kindergarten, when you first held a pen, or a pencil rather. You were taught how to write the alphabet, the numbers, draw lines and shapes, and even write your name by an older person whom you refer to as teacher. During that time, you successfully wrote the beginning of your journey as a student. Some people enjoy writing, while others do not. I am one of those people who enjoys writing. And no, I don't usually write literary works. To be honest, I'm really bad at writing short stories and poems. What I mean is that I prefer to write things down, especially those important ones. I write down my notes even if there is a printout copy of the lecture. Makes it easier for me to digest the lesson than just reading it. I even write down my to-do list so that I can be reminded by the sticky notes on my walls even when my gadgets are turned off. However, writing does not always take these forms. Not literally, but we unintentionally write something every day. And it is a story about life from our point of view. When I said earlier that I was not a good author, I mean it. As the author of how my life unfolds, I have made mistakes along the way. However, all I had was a pen. And I couldn't change part of my life that had already been written. All I had to do was to learn from the mistakes. I also have my family and my dear friends to guide me through the process of writing a new chapter in my life. Similar to a teacher that guided me through writing my first letters and numbers in kindergarten. Throughout high school, we spent our days sharpening our minds by taking lecture notes, answering quizzes and test papers, writing our manuscripts, and solving mathematical equations. With our pen and paper, we were able to not only finish all of our schoolworks, but also write another chapter in our lives. I am delighted to share the same challenges, laughters, and story from this chapter with you all. And I hope that one day, this story will be told to younger individuals who are also looking forward to and guided by their high school years. Now that this chapter has concluded, I hope that all of us in this room will be able to write a new one soon. Only thing is, we won't be able to share the same story with each other. And we will not wait for the class dismissed from the same instructor again. But hey, the good news is, maya-maya lang ay pwede na tayong umuwi, while being proud of our accomplishments and diplomas. And I look forward to seeing you again, not tomorrow, but soon, in a new toga, with a new set of accomplishments to go along with your diploma. Once again, I am Princess Catalea, your class valedictorian. Congratulations, fellow graduates and completers.
Is a testament to their passion for teaching and their commitment to making a difference. Please join me in recognizing Ma'am Lorena Estadea, 6 years, and students, you are now giving everyone your resilience with the help of your parents and everyone behind your success. You're now giving your farewell song to your classmates and to these teachers. Let us now sing Long Live by Taylor Swift, to be followed by Dreamers, sung by Jungkook.